Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this tutorial video guys, we will create a program using JavaScript programming language to check if the given character is a vowel or not. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. I will put a link in the video description guys where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today. Okay, so basically guys, I'm using online onecompiler.com. So here we have here var chi, the characters is I, let result equals ch uppercase, we convert it to uppercase format. So using conditional statement, if result capital A or result equals E or result equals capital I or result capital O or result capital U, the result is vowel if it is true, else is not a vowel. Let's say for example we have here R. When we run the code, R is not a vowel, but we change it to U and then we click the run button. U is a vowel. The same thing if we change this one to a number, let's say 3. When we run, 3 is not a vowel. Special character ampersand, when we click we run, it is not a vowel, but when we change with A, small letter A, when we run, it is a vowel. That's it. So that's the end of our tutorial video for today. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video. Thank you so much guys for your support. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of this tutorial video for today. Until then, this is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.